Hey, this is a newer iRobot Roomba. It's got the thing raised up. I'm not sure what model. Connects magnetically to the base and cleans here. We got a golden retriever, so lots of hair. So you come on in closer. So just to show you how to clean this. Now these things just pop on and pop off. You get extra ones. The bag is pretty simple, but look at this. Look at this dog. This is like every week. Look at this. So you just take it off there. Okay, you clean that. You can get it all off. I mean, these dogs' hair, especially Goldens, like, so much hair, it's so thin. Have fun with it. Have fun cleaning that hair. And you think they designed these things to be able to handle this, to be able to cut the hairs as it's flowing so it doesn't get caught in here. I really am amazed at how they have a tool. Get in there just to rip them out. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? I've had this dog for 6 years and I still can't get used to the amount of hair. You would think he'd be bald the way he loses hair. And we have this thing going. We have a regular vac. We have a stick vac. My daughter runs the sweeper around every morning, a little microfiber thing. And you can buy these extra rollers because sometimes they just fall apart. Look at that in there. It's even inside the roller thing. It's really insane. Look at this. This is crazy. So get in there. I know Lucy's getting tired over there, but this is YouTube. It can go long. All right, so we'll put that back on. I mean, you could do better. But I can see this brush's days are numbered. Okay. So in here, it hasn't cleaned for a bit, so it'll go back in and clean. All right, do I have it on the right side? I did not, so we'll do that. That's good. I want to show you one more thing. Make sure these are clicked in. Grab some more hair, it's endless. Don't worry, in 35 seconds, it'll have more hair stuck in there. Oh, there he is. There he is, right on cue. And then you can open this thing up if you want to get in there and clean that. And then there's a filter. Let's find the filter. It's
water bin is installed.
Oh, yeah. A filter. Where's my filter? I probably just passed it with this thing. Oh, here. But that's where the water goes in. You fill the water if you want to soap the floors. Here's your filter under here. Look at that. You open that. Look at that. Crusty, dusty mess. We'll clean that. You can replace this filter, or you can just vacuum out. Look at all that crap. Where does it even find it? So I will vacuum that out. I'll get the little hand vacuum because you got to have 16 million vacuums if you like clean. But that's how you clean it. Thank you.
Bye.